Hello everyone, myself Sandeep Kumar Sinha. Due to some reasons, I could not post videos for few days. Now I am here with you once again with a new topic. And today I would describe the meaning and concept of indifference curve, which is a tool of ordinal analysis, that is indifference curve analysis of consumers equilibrium. Literally, indifference means there are two words now in this indifference curve. Indifference literally meaning that is no difference. Indifference means no difference. Here it means no difference of satisfaction or no difference in the level of satisfaction. So satisfaction when the consumer consumes a certain commodity or a bundle of commodities. The no difference in the level of satisfaction, that is the literal meaning of the word indifference. And what is the curve? Meaning of curve? That is the line which is not straight. Which is not straight. मतलब ऐसा कोई भी एक लाइन जो सीधा नहीं है. Consisting of so many points. Means collection of several points together, joined together. That is a line. Then how can we define literally indifference curve? Means indifference curve is a curve which shows all the possible combinations of two commodities that the consumer gets out of his total income with given prices, and which give the same satisfaction to the consumer, because the consumer feels no difference in the level of satisfaction so far as all the bundles of the two commodities concerned. And that is all about the indifference curve, the simple literal meaning. Let me explain with the help of an example, simple example. Let the consumer is consuming or purchasing two commodities. Let it be X and Y. Income of the consumer is fixed. Prices of the two commodities are fixed. That is income of the consumer and the prices of the two commodities both are fixed in the market. Now, after spending the total amount of money income on the purchase of the two commodities with the given prices in the market, let us suppose that the various bundles of the two commodities that the consumer purchases, these are the various bundles. Let the number one, first bundle is, that is 1 unit of X. This is 1 X means 1 unit of commodity X and 15 units of commodity Y. That is one bundle of the two commodities that the consumer can purchase out of his total given money income. Suppose the second bundle is 2 units of X, 2 units of X and 8 units of Y. This is the second bundle. Let the third bundle be 3 units of X and 5 units of Y. Now the fourth bundle of the two commodities, let it be 4 units of X and 3 units of Y. And the fifth bundle, suppose the consumer spends his all income on the purchase of two commodities, let the units of the commodities purchased be 5 units of X and 2 units of Y. Let these are the 5 bundles which the consumer is having after spending the total money income with the given prices in the market. And now suppose all these 5 bundles give the same satisfaction to the consumer. अगर ये पांचों bundles consumer pick करता है and all these 5 bundles have the same satisfaction that the consumer gets, same satisfaction to the consumer. And suppose the consumer is asked to pick any one of these 5 bundles, कहेंगे कोई भी इसमें से एक चुन लो, तो बोलेगा कंज्यूमर क्या जो देना है दे दो. सब में जब सेटिस्फैक्शन बराबर है तो चाहे हम फर्स्ट पिक करें, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ या फिफ्थ, it does not matter because the satisfaction level is the same and consumer is concerned with the level of satisfaction. that he would get after spending his money, income on the purchase of two commodities. Means all these bundles, if it is giving the same satisfaction to the consumer, and the consumer is to pick any one of the five, then consumer will choose any one because the satisfaction is having the same. So all this set of the possible combination of the two commodities which give the same satisfaction to the consumer is called as indifference set. The first concept is indifference set. Set means combination. This is a set of all the possible combinations of two commodities which consumer gets satisfaction, that is same level of satisfaction, or all these five bundles giving the same satisfaction to the consumer, then this combination or set of all the combinations is called as indifference set. Now suppose if the same combination is simply put it in the form of a table, means if the tabular presentation of the same combination is there, now if we just put it in the form of a table, suppose we are simply writing the bundles in a different form, that is in the form of a table. Let the first column that represents the combination, second column the units of commodity Y purchased, and the third column units of commodity Y purchased. Now there are five combinations. Let the first combination be A, second combination is B, third combination is C, fourth one is D, and the fifth one is E. These are the suppose five combinations. First one, 1 unit of X, 15 units of Y. Second bundle, 2 units of X and 8 units of Y. Third bundle, 3 units of X and 5 units of Y. And fourth bundle, that is 4 units of X and 3 units of Y. And fifth one is 5 units of X and 2 units of Y. This is in the form of a table. All these five bundles are having the same level of satisfaction, that these five bundles give the same level of satisfaction to the consumer. Then this tabular presentation of this indifference set, or the tabular presentation of all the possible combinations which give the same level of satisfaction to the consumer, that is called as indifference schedule. Means what is this? This is called as indifference schedule. Indifference literally means there is no difference. So no difference of what? No difference in the level of satisfaction. The first term that we got here, that is indifference set. Second term that we got here, that is indifference schedule. So how can we define this indifference schedule? There is a simple difference. All these bundles are the same, written in a different format. It is simple, written as a raw part, simply written as an ordered pair, showing the 2 units of the 2 commodities. And here it is put in the tabular format, in the form of a table. And the same meaning is there. All these bundles are the same, having the same satisfaction. So this graphical presentation, this tabular presentation of this indifference set, or the tabular presentation of all the possible combinations of the 2 commodities that give the same satisfaction to the consumer is called the indifference schedule. Now if we plot this indifference schedule or indifference set on a graph paper, अगर हम इन indifference set को या indifference schedule को एक ग्राफ पेपर पे प्लॉट करते हैं, then we get a curved line. मतलब we are getting 5 distinct points. 5 points हम आएगा whenever we plot it on a graph paper, and after joining all those points we get a curved line, and that is line called as indifference set. Now let us suppose this is the graph part. On this x-axis and y-axis, the units of the 2 commodities X and Y are plotted. On this y-axis, this is the commodity Y is plotted, and on this x-axis commodity X is plotted. Now simply we label it. Suppose this is 3, this is 6, this is 9, this is 12, and that is 15. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. ठीक. First bundle 1 unit of X, 15 units of Y. Here also in this schedule 1 unit of X, 15 units of Y. So first this is 1 units and this is the 15 units. Graphical part, graph nahi hai, simply a rough part hai. Maybe the point would shift to the left or to the right to a certain margin. This first point, that is ordered pair, iska coordinates kya hoga? 1 and 15. Means 1 units of X, 15 units of Y. And the second point or the second bundle, 2 units of X, this is 2 units, and 8 units of Y, this is 6, this is 3. ठीक है, let it be simple 8. ये हमारा हो गया 8. This is the second point. 2 units of X and 8 units of Y. The third bundle is 3 units of X, 5 units of Y in both these. This is indifference schedule. This is indifference set. Third bundle, that is 3 units of X and 5 units of Y. Now when we plot it here, 3 units of X and that is 5 units of Y. Now we get another point. Let it be this bundle is third, that is 3 units of X and 5 units of Y. Now the fourth bundle is 4 units of X and 3 units of Y in both the set and the schedule. This is 4 and 3, this is 4 units of X and this is 3 units of Y. When we plot this point, that is another distinct point. It is 4 units of X and 3 units of Y. Now the fifth bundle is 5 units of X and 2 units of Y. This is the last bundle. When we plot it on this graph paper, then we get another point. Let it be this fifth point, that is 5 units of X and 2 units of Y. Now these are the 5 distinct points. Whenever we plot this indifference set or indifference schedule on a graph paper, we get these 5 points on the graph paper, 5 distinct points. And when we join this, just we join all these 5 points together, then we get a curved line. This line is called the indifference curve. Means what is this indifference curve? It is just the graphical presentation of an indifference set or an indifference schedule which shows all the possible combinations of the two commodities which give the same satisfaction to the consumer. Means how do we define? Means indifference curve is a graphical presentation of all the possible combinations of two commodities which give the same satisfaction to the consumer. ये हमारा हुआ indifference curve. क्या है? ग्राफिकल प्रेजेंटेशन है सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस का जो कंज्यूमर्स को सेम सेटिस्फैक्शन देता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड indifference curve. When we join these points together, we get a curve called as indifference curve. Now, what is the observation from any indifference curve? Each and every point, even it is a simple collection of several points together, and each and every point represents a certain bundle, means combination of the two commodities that the consumer is purchasing or consuming. That is consuming, that is bundle that shows. And another one, each bundle has the same level of satisfaction, means each indifference curve that simply represents a level of satisfaction. Whatever the bundle the consumer may choose, the satisfaction level would be the same. That is indifference curve. Now if we simply plot it on a graph paper, several indifference curves. इंडिफरेंस कर्व अब एक नहीं, एक से ज्यादा अगर हम एक ही ग्राफ पेपर पे प्लॉट करते हैं, then we get several indifference curves having different levels of satisfaction. Suppose this is x-axis on a y-axis on which the commodity x and commodity y are plotted. This is on x-axis commodity x plotted and y commodity, that is y plotted. Now suppose this is the indifference curve number 1, this is indifference curve number 2, this is indifference curve number 3, and similarly let us suppose the last one, this is indifference curve number 4. Now how many indifference curves are drawn on this graph paper? That is, there are 4 indifference curves. Each indifference curve will be having a unique level of satisfaction. The satisfaction level किसी भी indifference curve का बराबर same नहीं होगा. हर indifference curve का अपना एक satisfaction level होता है. And this family of indifference curve representing are different levels of satisfaction, that is called as indifference map. So what is indifference map? That is a family of indifference curves showing different levels of satisfaction to the consumer. Means each indifference curve would represent a different level of satisfaction. That is all about the indifference curve. What we learned, हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा? सबसे पहले हम पढ़े हमने क्या? That is indifference set. What is an indifference set? That we learned. Next we learned about the indifference schedule, and then indifference curve, and now the indifference map. The first one, that is indifference set. We learned about indifference set. What is indifference set? हमारा क्या है? Means combination of all the possible combinations. जो भी हमारा होगा of all the possible bundles of two commodities. Means possible bundles giving the same satisfaction to the consumer. Same satisfaction. Consumers को satisfaction हर bundle से बराबर बराबर मिलता है, और वैसे किसी भी bundles का जो combination set है उसको indifference set कहते हैं. Second one is indifference schedule. ये हमने क्या पढ़ा कि indifference schedule is the same, मतलब combination का ही एक ही हमारा part है, but it contains the combinations of the two commodities in a tabular presentation. में tabular format. ये हमारा है tabular presentation है, में tabular presentation of the combinations. ये जो भी possible combinations है उसको अगर हम मीन्स एक टेबल में प्रेजेंट कर देते हैं तो वो हमारा कहलाता है दैट इज इंडिफरेंस शेड्यूल ऑफ ऑल द पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस गिविंग सेम सेटिस्फैक्शन. सबके साथ एक टर्म जुड़ा हुआ है सेम सेटिस्फैक्शन. इंडिफरेंस मीन्स नो डिफरेंस इन द लेवल ऑफ satisfaction. This is second part. Now third we learned, that is indifference curve. What is indifference curve? The indifference curve is the graphical presentation. Graphical presentation of the same part, that is possible combination of the two commodities giving the same satisfaction to the consumer. And fourth one that we learned, that is indifference map. Indifference map is the means family of indifference curve. It is family of indifference curves, है ना, having different levels of satisfaction. मीन्स हर indifference curve का अपना एक लेवल होगा satisfaction का, and that family of indifference curve, that is said as indifference map. That is all about the meaning, concept of indifference curve. In the next video, we will discuss about the properties of indifference curve and the related terms with the indifference curve, that is MRS and monotonic preference of the consumer. Thank you very much. Then keep learning, keep watching the video and wait for the next video.